Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Be sure to subscribe. In today's video I am installing the Model Glance Braid 3x pre-loop crochet extensions, and I have already pre-braided my hair in the back. So if you're interested in watching me install this hair, be sure to stay tuned. officially finished my hair. So as you guys can see, I am slaying this hair. Hair that I installed is the Model 3X pre-loop crochet extensions. So this hair is very similar to my Free Tress Yaky Bounce 3X pre-loop hair as well. So you guys can check out the card above and check out that video. That is one of my most popular videos. Did a review and I did an installation on that hair as well. This Model hair is, I feel like, is much thicker than the Free Tress hair. I love the fact that it's thicker because I can install less. So with this hair, I installed only 2 packs. With my Free Tress Yaky Bounce, I installed about 3.5. And I typically always go for 4 packs when I purchase. You know, I'd rather be safe than sorry, have more than have less. It is much shorter than I usually go for. I usually go for the 16-inch and this is the 14-inch, but it's pretty similar. You know, sometimes a little bit less hair is always best. I'm really loving it. Like, the length is similar to almost my hair length, my natural hair length. So this model hair also has that nice swoop at the bottom, you know, because I don't like that straight hair that just falls at the bottom. I like a little, you know, curve to it. I like a little bounce. As far as how it feels, very soft, very flowy, bouncy, all that jazz. It's very natural looking. I just love a natural looking straight hair. I don't like that synthetic-y looking hair. You know, you just want something natural, something that fits you. I see myself purchasing this hair again in the future. I like to switch up from curly to straight once in a while. I haven't worn straight in a long time, so your girl had to go back to straight for a minute. This is my second time trying model hair. The other model hair was curly. You know, I wasn't crazy about it. I would prefer model straight hair like this instead of the curly. So this is looking like my go-to straight hair when I do decide to, you know, want to rock the straight a little bit. So yes, I wanted to give my natural hair a break. I feel like my hands was constantly in it and it was starting to get poofy anyway, and I didn't want to constantly straighten it every day. So I said, let me put in my straight crochet extensions. So I just want to go through this hair with my comb, and I just want you guys to see just how manageable it is. This is how it goes through the comb. Really easy, really manageable, really smooth. So if any of you are interested in purchasing this hair, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description so you guys can check it out. If you guys have any additional questions about the installation process about this hair, be sure to leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer any questions you guys have. I thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give me a huge thumbs up down below. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.